All right, Grand Rising, Grand Rising, Grand Rising, Aquarius. How are you all doing? How are you all feeling? For those who do not know me, my name is Spiritual Star 111. I decided not to say the prayer anymore. As I stated, I say it to myself before I start my reads. Just because, Aquarius, you may be changing things about you at this time, switching up things that you normally do, at this time, like you're not doing it same as routine. I know for me, I'm switching up a lot of things. This could be mentally, emotionally, physically, whatever. But a lot of you definitely could be seeing 555. You definitely could be seeing 222. You definitely could be seeing 111 at this time. So we're just going to go ahead and tap into this message. Everything you need to know about me is in the description box, all right? So let's go ahead and see what is going to come out in your message. Hope that everybody has had a great week. Let's definitely see what's going on. A lot of you may be feeling a change coming on. Like you may be feeling something is definitely coming. You could be having some type of change at this time. It could be numerous things that you're feeling, and everything you're feeling is correct. There is some type of change that's getting ready to happen, if it hasn't happened for you already, okay? Definitely could be feeling some type of flow in your energy. You have a lucid priestess. Excuse me, oh my gosh. Move forward, God bless me, and let go of how you believe. Told you. Move forward and let go of how you believe things should be. I just told you could be doing something different. Excuse me, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I ain't start coughing until. But you definitely could be doing something different. You could be doing something different. And you could be changing things that you normally do, normally say, normally eat. Something based on in your everyday life. Yep, speaking your truth. Definitely could be changing things of how you say things. A lot of times we always think before we speak, but a lot of Aquariuses we don't. A lot of Aquariuses we don't think before. Like we just say what's on our mind. We're very blunt. All right. I got told the other day that I have a strong personality. So a lot of y'all definitely could be told that y'all have a strong personality. Okay. So, if you do, it's okay. Yep. Abundance. Spirit is definitely getting ready to bring some type of change into your life. I'm telling you, a lot of you definitely could be feeling this, or a lot of y'all are like, man, what is coming? What is coming? What is coming? All right, you could be thinking it, you could be feeling it, but embrace these changes, Aquarius. Yep. Definitely going into some nature too, but this has the rainbow, so this is definitely happiness. Happiness is getting ready to come to your life, all right? Definitely happiness is getting ready to come. It's been a while since I used the big deck. Definitely going to use it today. This is going to be a quick message, y'all. The High Priestess. Told you. Some type of inner knowing, your intuition could be telling you. With the elusive priestess, your intuition definitely could be telling you that it's time to do things differently. Your angels want you to do things differently. It's time to go at a different approach. Somebody definitely may notice your moves, your every moves, your day-to-day routines, and it's time to change it. It's time to switch up the game. One more. Yep. Illusion to reality. The moon card, Pisces energy. Speak your truth. 2 cards, please. One more. Thank you. All right, so you got the Queen of Spades, strength and determination. Definitely speaking your truth at this time, standing up for what you believe in, how you believe it, whatever you have going on in your life. With the Nine of Cups, all right? Definitely some type of public events you may be going to. This could be some type of business matter. Whatever you have going on, some type of change. This could be you opening up yourself, whether it's on any type of social media. You definitely could be feeling different about your life. What's abundance, Spirit? One more. Alright, so the Empress already came out for abundance. Emperor or Empress with the Three of Cups. Alright, recognition. Somebody is definitely going to appreciate you. This may be some type of reunion that the universe is bringing you two back together. This could be some type of engagement, some type of vows being made. This could be you overcoming something that did not work at this time, alright? What is nature? This actually flipped over, so I'm definitely going to take it. Some type of solitude that you may need. Or if you was betrayed or you feel lonely, just know your happiness is coming. One more, Spirit. There you go, sugar. Trusting yourself in the universe. There you are. Yep, King of Staves at the bottom of the deck and King of Sacred Circles. Definitely a lot of thinking, a lot of grounding needs to take place with you, Aquarius, okay? Let's tap into your energy for these changes. Queen of Wands, told you. Being bold, all right? You know, you could be getting healthy. You could be inspiring people. You could be inspiring people, and she has a sunflower on her head. So you definitely could be inspiring people, and you just don't know it. Yep, Ace of Cups, some type of forgiveness. Somebody may be showing affection to you now. This could be intimate. This could be you loving yourself at this time. All right, this could be you. Definitely Aspire is here too. So definitely doing something for yourself. Ten of Blades is in reverse. All right. So you're no longer a victim. Six of Blades, period. Here we go. All right. Recovering. All right. Something you had to walk away from. Just because it's broken doesn't mean it can't be fixed. Okay. King of Coins with the Page of Wands at this time. You know, confidence. And here go abundance with success here. Some type of stability. Yeah. Spirit is definitely passing judgment on you, giving you a fresh start. As you're transforming yourself, Spirit is definitely passing judgment on you in a good way. The Moon card is here too. Double confirmation on the Moon. This could be past energy with real energy. A lot of you was stuck in that illusion, all right? And now you're turning that illusion into some type of reality. With the Strength card here, I'm definitely going to take it. Yep. Four of Wands. Definitely going to take it in the upright, all right? This could be some type of union, like I stated, some type of union. You and this person could be getting along or could be getting together. Page of Blades, some type of discovering, finding something with the Two of Coins. The High Priestess is here as well, all right? Reflecting, all right? Finding some type of balance. So embrace these changes, Aquarius, period. With the Empress card here. Definitely embrace these changes that's coming towards you. Don't be scared of these changes. Don't overthink these changes. Just know that they're coming. What you have to say, angels? Let's see. ask others for help and you have no but yes. Stop telling yourself no. Start telling yourself yes. Ask, ask for help from others. If you need help, and ask for help. Yep. Stop saying it's not the right time. A lot of you definitely could contemplate and waiting, procrastinating. Your angels say it's the perfect timing. Listen to your intuition. In the near future is here. Stop telling yourself no and help for people. So definitely a lot of contemplating, anxiety, Stop telling yourself no. Come on. And reconsider. All right? Because there's always something better. All right, I just wanted to do a short message just to see what the energy is like. And definitely some type of change is taking place for you, Aquarius. Definitely some type of change is taking place. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then I'm sorry. But if you feel what I'm talking about, like, yes, it's going to get better. I understand where she's coming from. I need to just get up off that sitting like a log, a hump on a log, or whatever the case may be, and just wait for these changes to come because they're coming. They're definitely coming, okay? So keep doing you, Aquarius. Stay healthy, stay blessed, stay safe at this time, all right? And until we meet again, what is like some of the next, y'all? Namaste.